How to sign up or log into Pandora Music and Podcast application. If you want to sign up, which means to create an account or log into the Pandora Music and Podcast app, it's actually quite very simple. Just launch the Pandora application and this is the interface you will see. From the bottom, you'll find the option called sign up for free or login options. So if you, by the way, already have an account, just tap on the login button. You can simply go ahead and then enter your email address and password and then be able to log in. But if you do not have an account, also don't worry. You can simply open the Pandora app. So first of all, let me just try to log out of my current account to also show you the process on how you can create a new account, right? So from here, you can simply come to the bottom and tap on create new account if you don't have an account. Then once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and then choose the email address from which you'd like to create your Pandora account with. Then also simply select and sign in with your password. Once you've created a password, tap on the continue button and then your Pandora account will be successfully created, and next time you can simply log in using those details as well. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can go ahead and sign up or log in on the Pandora app. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon as always in the next video.